10 minus 3 bracket 9 divided by 3 is equal what? Here 10 minus 3 gives us 7 multiply 9 divided by 3 gives us 3. 7 times 3 gives us 21. But this answer is not correct. Now I will apply PEMDAS rule to solve this math correctly. Please hit the like button to support this channel. Here PEMDAS PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, at first we have to work with parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division have same priority. For this we have to work left to right. And addition and subtraction have same priority. For this we have to work left to right also. Therefore, at first we have to work with this parenthesis. Here 10 minus 3 multiply 9 divided by 3 gives us 3. According to the order of operation, now I have to work with this multiplication. Here 10 minus 3 times 3 gives us 9. 10 minus 9 gives us 1. And this is correct answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.